Welcome back. Now in this particular tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the concluding part on how to earn with Digismart. So in the previous tutorial, I explained DC affiliate. So in this one, I'm going to be explaining how you can earn using the other three programs. So just follow me. Now, the second program with which you can actually earn from Digismart is to earn as Digismart agent. Now, what does this one require? What it means is that you first register, with Digismart as an agent, and then as an agent, your role is to promote Digismart courses only. You just promote Digismart courses only. So for every course you sell, you earn 50% commission. And for this one, there is no registration fee, and there are no pack to give to you for this one. All right. So the third way of earning is to earn as promoter. And then what that means is that you register with Digismart as service promoter, and then your role as a promoter is to promote Digismart services only. Okay, we have about 5 or 6 services that we render. Okay, and then your job is to promote these services, and then for every service you sell, you are going to earn 50% commission. And for this one too, there are no registration fee, and there are no pack, no study pack for this one as well. All right, so the last one is earn as partners. Now, to earn as partner, what you need to do is to collaborate with Digismart. Okay, so our collaboration is in such a way that we organize training together. Now, this is how it works. Register as a partner with Digismart, then draw a pool to know the most on-demand course for your audience among the Digismart courses. So we have Digismart courses, about 10 of them. Run a pool to know which one your audience really desire to learn. Okay, then make sure you have a group of at least 200 people who are willing to learn. Then how Digismart will come in to train them, free of charge for 3 days, after which it will organize a master class. So the proceed from the master class will now be share 50-50. Okay, so this is how the earn as collaborator or partners work. No registration fee, no study pack. I hope that is clear. So you can decide on any of these. You can even pick more than one if you so desire. All right, so that will be all. So which one you are interested, let me know in the comment section or via my DM. Okay, see you some other time.